Hey everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing video from the things I got at Home Depot today. It is December 27th, 2019. It is a Friday. I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Alright. So these are the two items. I did a perspective video before. It was just a little quick look. Unboxing, not unboxing, but quick look / tool haul video. First item we're going to unbox are these Spade bits. They're Daredevil by Bosch. Item number is DSB5018P. Dog Sam Bravo 5018 Paul. This was 1988. Oh, come on. Okay. Put that one out of the box. Here's the 1 3/8. They're very nice. They're a 1/4 inch chuck for like an impact driver, which is also another nice feature. You could also put them in a drill if you choose. The pad is really nice. It's actually a little stiff, but it's probably because it's never been closed. It just wants to bounce back open. Even though that side's heavy, it just bounces open. So, but nice little Daredevil Bosch case. I like on the camera it looks more blue. In person it has this more of a green than a blue. And then the Milwaukee, which is a 100-foot reel. It is part number 48-22-5201. Just gonna pop the zip tie off. Okay. It says limited lifetime warranty on it. The information it has on the back is 3-to-1 metal planetary gears, metal reinforced handle, 2-sided printing, English fractional scale and English tenths scale, limited lifetime warranty, 1/2-inch nylon bond steel blade, 50% less stretch, kink resistant blade, a grime guard blade wiper, which is pretty nice. So this is a blade wiper right here. It's got a little rubber wiper. It does have a dual-sided. It does look about 1/2 inch thick. I do like that you got the hook, as well as you can open it like a regular tape measure. It also has barbs on the back, so you can just lock it into a piece of wood, which is a nice feature. I also like that it's got the little, kind of like a rafter hook. It's also got a little storage thing up here for the rafter style hook. Pull it taut. You fold the blade in front. It is very nice. It's got plastic kind of rubbery feet on the back. You can lay it flat. It will kind of sit up, and it also can be stood up. Just a quick little unboxing. I'm going to do another video eventually when I have time using these items. I could have used these Bosch Daredevils yesterday when I was installing the hot water heater. I did get the hot water heater completely installed. I did do a video on cleaning in here, cleaning the floor. I had moved the dryer. I was talking about replacing these with Samsung washer and dryers with the top load as well as the front load. You know, the newer Samsungs, they have that little quick wash and dry section where you can just open the lid, put some socks or, you know, bras or, you know, underwear or whatever it is in there for like a quick 15-minute cleaning or drying. Here's the new hot water heater. It is completely done. The hole hasn't been fixed, but I did put foam wrapping around the copper pipes on the side. All of these. This one I did not. This is just the drain line. New copper fittings up here, as well as the cold side shut off, as well as new vent up. And I also fixed the dryer vent because they put the dryer vent outlet very close to the gas line. Also has a new gas fitting. But I was showing them the M18 vac being used. M18 shop vac right here, as well as the multi-tool. But thank you guys for watching. I could have used these to drill some holes in the wall to have the piping come out of the drywall instead of it sticking outside the wall. But, you know, I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Comments, criticisms, suggestions down below. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Yeah.